Hey guys, it's me Seth again. I want to show you in this tutorial just some quick shortcuts for cataloging. I'm not a cataloger, so I don't know all the ins and outs of cataloging. I have in various jobs done copy cataloging, so I want to show you some shortcuts that I've used to help me create call numbers and cutter numbers. There's really three websites I want to show you. The OC LC Dewey to LC converter. That'll help you convert call numbers in Dewey to LC and vice versa. The cataloging calculator and WorldCat. WorldCat you're probably already familiar with. Let me go ahead and open up the first one here. These are going to be linked in the video, so you can just click on each one of them and it should take you straight to the website. Alright, this first one here, it shows you different Dewey Decimal call numbers, all right, and how they map to LC call numbers. You'll also see that you can switch this map around by clicking on this button here. Okay. The next resource is the cataloging calculator. This is a really handy website that a cataloger put together, and basically you can search. Let's say you're looking for a cutter number. You can type in LC cutter, all right, and then you can type in the person's name. I'm going to use my last name, all right, and it shows you the cutter number. You can also get language and country codes here so that you can put that in the cataloging record, and you can also look up Library of Congress subject headings. So let's say I'm looking up the Holy Spirit as a subject heading. Okay, I can click on Holy Spirit and it opens up Holy Spirit as a subject heading in the Library of Congress website. Okay, I see the range here is BT 120 to BT 123. Okay, the final site is WorldCat. You're probably familiar with WorldCat already. It's a very helpful tool to use. Sometimes if I don't know how to put together a call number, I can look up the book in WorldCat. And since I'm working in an academic setting, I can see how other college libraries have cataloged it. Okay. All right, now see, this is how Milligan College has it cataloged. All right. So again, these are three really easy tools to help you with cataloging: the Dewey to LC converter, cataloging calculator, and WorldCat. If you have any others, feel free to share them in the comment section, and maybe later on I can make a video tutorial about them. Or if you would like to share some of your own and have it hosted on my blog, feel free to do so. Thanks for watching.